now I can record again. Nope, Streamlabs still said eat my Alright, I'm back again.
Let's go.
Jesus Christ. Welcome back. Third time's the charm, right? Ah! Ah! Oh, let me guess. You're gonna do that thing where you don't pick up my controller again, aren't you? I might die now. I definitely should have healed. Yeah. Oops, I did it again.
I got video. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube, same. That's what you get for locking me out!
That's the dude who stranded us. And he's getting what he deserved.
Right? Go in. Go in the door! Juliet, go in the door. Juliet, go in the door. Juliet, go in the door.
Juliet, I'm so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Thanks. That's my favorite thing to hear. I'm just running into stuff. I swear I'm just holding it straight. This is what happens when you play emulated games. This is exactly what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come out this way. I want 3 more 3-pointers. Go straight. Oh my god. Straight.
We need to get out of here.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh my god! Did I die? That was like, that was the hardest task because this emulator game is so laggy and glitchy that I just couldn't get out of the door. That should have been the easiest thing in the world to do. I am hitting the button to hit them. None of my buttons are working. 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 Maybe I'm back online again? Nope. I was like, I cannot hit her. Oh god. Don't judge my play ability based on this stream. I promise you I can play better than it is allowing me to.
You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard.
We'll see. You say that now. But I'm finna play again in a second. Was all of that like lagged behind what he was saying? That's hilarious. That's me, I'm Pigtails. Pigtails.
I'm counting on you both. Kill the mother.
I love this game so much. Oh god, no, 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 no! Damn it!
I'll love you, baby. Oh.
We don't need this negative energy, Nick. I died because of you. Come on, come on. Go. A runner? Absolutely the not.
This majorly sucks.
Oh god, oh god. No, 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 no!
Juliet, baby, no.
I keep hitting the zombies into the cake. I don't know if I'll be able to get past this level if I'm not on the Xbox. I'm gonna be real with you. This lag is... it's messing with me. We gonna keep trying. Even if I have the lag, I'm going to beat at least this. I quit. I'm sorry.